It is hard to believe that in order to allow Pakistanis to use cheap and affordable furniture, this simple small workshop in Peshawar uses high-quality wood purchased locally. The workers will transfer the wood to a handcart and then escort it all the way to the processing site 200 meters away, where workers will fix the wood on the rail flatbed car and then start the weighting machine to cut the wood. In this way, they can cut out wooden boards of standard thickness. Here, workers will cut the wooden boards again through the weighting machine to produce wooden strips that meet the production requirements. After all the materials needed for the frame are made, workers will use nails to splice and fix the wooden strips to make a sofa frame of standard size. This process requires splicing the wooden strips at appropriate intervals to ensure that the load-bearing performance of the entire sofa frame is not a problem. After the frame is made, 2 workers will be needed to cooperate to transfer it to the soft package workshop 500 meters away. Here, the workers will first use air nails at the back of the frame to fix the wooden strips. Fix the upper fabric tape in a certain order. This not only saves production costs, but also reduces the overall weight of the sofa. Then, you can cover the backrest with a layer of lining and fix the upper fabric tape at the armrest. Next, you can put recycled cotton made from loosened waste fabric on the backrest as a spare pad. Although this kind of recycled cotton is not very healthy, fortunately, the Boss is very fashionable and uses a considerable amount of the entire backrest. When the workers use it, after the air nails are fixed and electrified, a layer of foam sponge can be fixed on the surface to make the entire backrest softer and more comfortable. Then the cushion spring can be fixed on the frame. The worker will directly use the air nails to fix the spring on the wooden strips. At this time, another worker will use a saw blade to draw grooves on the backrest sponge at appropriate intervals. In this way, a unique and atmospheric shape can be made on the backrest through the rope. Since the cushion cannot be directly supported by the spring, the workers will also... This will not only make the sofa relatively soft to sit on, but also prevent the seat cushion from collapsing. The armrests are relatively simple to make. You only need to fix a sponge of the appropriate size on it. Then use the rope to shape the surface of the same style. After fixing it, you can make the sofa seat cushion. The workers will also go to a large amount of recycled cotton is placed on the scale to support the bottom of the cushion. Then glue is sprayed on the thickened sponge and it is spliced to the frame. This way, the recycled cotton is perfectly sealed. Then the wear-resistant and comfortable high-quality fabric can be fixed. The frame legs and the bottom are sealed. Finally, the workers assemble the stone slab in front of the armrest and install the feet at the bottom of the sofa. This high cost-effective and difficult-to-use sofa is a good choice. Kill the sofa is now produced. So after watching the whole